Friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Michaela. Today I have for you an amazing designer haul. I went to Neiman Marcus last weekend and spent my Valentine's gift card that my husband had got me, and I found something really unexpected but really nice and really cute for the summer. So I originally went to Neiman Marcus looking for a pair of heels, specifically by Chanel. And I went in there and had no idea that Chanel products are very limited and you get what you get. So I should have bought them the last time I seen them in Neiman Marcus, and I didn't because they were a little more than I wanted to spend. I think they were around like $2,300 pre-tax, and I was wanting to spend around $1,500 or less. So I decided to leave and really think about it, and I went back to purchase them and they no longer had them. And since this was my first Chanel purchase, I didn't know a lot about the brand. I knew that it was really sought after, and I knew that they were limited, but I didn't know how limited their products were. The sales lady told me that they only get 6 drops per year from Chanel, and that's limited quantities of everything. And so, I mean, if they have limited quantities of a shoe, think about how limited your size is. So I went in there and she was so incredibly helpful and nice, and she brought out every shoe that they had in my size, which that was another surprise on my shoe sizing, was that Chanel runs very small. I was even more surprised to find out that I wear a size 41 in Chanel, which was shocking to me, and I'm pretty sure that is their largest size that they carry in store. I have heard that they go up a little bit in size, maybe over in Europe, but it's extremely rare to find larger sizes than 41. And I had no idea that I was a size 41 in Chanel, because I am a size 9 to 9.5 American, so I did not expect to be size 41 in Chanel at all. So keep that in mind if you're going to be purchasing designer, or if you're going to be looking at Chanel in the future. So unfortunately, since I wasn't able to get the heels that I had originally went in for, I tried on all of the shoes that she brought out to me in size 41, what they had left from the last drop. And I found a pair of flat sandals that I really loved, and was actually shocked that I loved, because I don't normally go for this style, but they just looked so good on, and they were actually so comfortable. Comfortability is not really an aspect of a designer shoe, so I was so surprised, and I knew I had to purchase these. Of course, I was excited to have purchased my very first Chanel product, and here's the box. They're not called anything, but they say cotton and strass, black and dark silver. And these were $11.50 pre-tax, which I thought was not too bad of a price for Chanel sandals, because most of them I had looked at were at least $1,400. So I was actually shocked that I found these and liked them, because I normally gravitate towards the more expensive things, which I think most of us do, but that's unfortunate. They come in paper like any normal shoe, but then they are pre-bagged. Each shoe has its own dust bag. And of course it comes with the authenticity papers, just in case you ever go to resell these. I don't ever see myself selling these, because I have a feeling that I'm going to wear these completely out. So here's the reveal. And here they are in all their glory. You can see it has the rhinestone logo detailing on the top, and this is like a linen canvas material that it's on. And then it has the adjustable strap on the back, and it has the leather soles that say Chanel, and they're so smooth. I've never felt a shoe this good quality in my entire life. And fun fact, this is my first pair of designer shoes. I've always gravitated towards cheap shoes at Marshall's, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with. Like, I'm still going to rock my $20 sandals from Marshall's, but this is exciting. To have something like so nice that you know that's gonna last for years to come and just be classy and black, and I love them. I'm gonna wear these so much this summer. They say made in Spain on the bottom, and they have the little logo there on the heel. And I don't know if you can see the threading, but it's literally the sole is stitched on by the threading. These are so comfortable on, and they also just give that beachy vibe too for summer with the little, I don't know what you call this, like braided sole detail. I also tried other designer shoes while I was in there, and I mean, I've always dreamt of having a red sole shoe. I think a lot of us have. And I tried on Louis Vuittons and they are so uncomfortable. It's insane. I mean, I'm sure I will have a pair in the future just because that was always my dream, but they're so uncomfortable, and the Chanel are way more comfortable. Yeah, this is just a basic black sandal with a little rhinestone detail that gives them some pizzazz. But I just really love them, and I wanted to share them with you all because I know that you love designer items just as much as I do, and I haven't purchased one in a while. So I was excited to get these on video and show them to you and see if you can go find them anywhere in your Neiman Marcus. And I'm curious to see how good quality the rhinestones are, because I mean, if you've ever had a rhinestone piece before, you know that if it's cheaply made, they fall off pretty quickly. So I'm excited to see how long these stay on there, or if all of them stay on there. Because let's be honest, I'm pretty rough with my shoes, so we'll see how well these do. Also, for anyone more experienced in the designer shoe game than me, please leave down below in the comments if I should spray these with like a shoe protective spray, because I have some, but I don't know if you should do that. I don't know if it would hurt like a real like leather high quality shoe, because I've never had one. So please let me know. And yeah, I love that they come with dust bags, because my shoes, especially black, they get dusty in the closet. So I'm excited to be able to have that to leave them in so they never get dusty, because you know it's hard to get that dust off of your shoes, especially if they have like cloth or canvas on them. If you're a big fan of designer items like I am, please subscribe to my channel. I post quite a bit of designer reviews and hauls, and I would love to have you in my community and for us to be friends. So please give this video a like and share it with your other designer loving friends. Please let me know down in the comments if you have these exact shoes or if you have something similar. I would love to see them. And thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. See you soon.